I know you've been struggling, but crying time is over. Let's get back into shape. Let's get back into the gym, working on our physical health. Because you know it's the foundation for improvement in all other areas of your life. It starts here. Did you forget? Doctors don't get paid to tell you to go exercise. You're not the only one that is feeling defeated. So let me ask you, where are you meant to be? How far are you willing to go? Let's stop going to the gym to get ripped. Fuck exercising to lose weight. Let's find out what you're made out of. How far can you physically push yourself to create a stronger version of yourself? In all aspects of life, it starts here. I need you to know that I'm not going to be your therapist. I'm not going to tell you to take your time and that everything's going to be all right, so stop the excuses. You know exactly who you want to become, and you know exactly how you're going to do it. Are you ready to embrace the fact that this time will be different? Are you sick and tired of starting over? Good, because this time, we aren't giving up. We ain't playing games. Get off your cell phones. It's time to lose the fake friends. Ghost the social media. Dust off those old running shoes, because no one is going to hold us accountable. This is the moment we pull ourselves up. Self-improvement is our destination, and it's a path we will walk alone. It's time to give ourselves permission to feel and accept what we've been through, because it's time to dig deep. This